Academy Ballroom is Knoxville's biggest name in ballroom dancing, offering you more than just ballroom. Beginners are always welcome. If you think you have two left feet and no rhythm, you're probably wrong. Academy Ballroom says if you can walk, you can dance. The Academy Ballroom staff is there to help. Academy Ballroom offers private lessons, group lessons, and parties. If you're interested in attending a group lesson, coming with a partner is not necessary. All are welcome. Private lessons are the best way to make you a great dancer and typically run about $75 a session. But your first private one-on-one lesson is only $35. Group classes are $10 a person or $5 with a student ID. Academy Ballroom allows dancers to come in and practice on their floor anytime they are open for only $5 an hour. Academy Ballroom offers a wide variety of group dance lessons, including nightclub two-step, country two-step, a newcomers class, salsa, ballroom, and more. And every Friday at 8, they host a dance party where you can dance the night away to a great mix. Owners Jeremy Norris and Emily Loylis are quite the dancers themselves, having experience in multiple areas. Jeremy first began dancing as a break dancer in Atlanta. Jeremy and Emily are also partners in crime on the dance floor. They have both been a part of Dancing with the Stars in Knoxville. Academy Ballroom is located at 4451 Kingston Pike in Knoxville. So put on your dancing shoes because Academy Ballroom is ready to teach you how to groove.